Doo-doo.
Morning, morning.
Good morning, good morning. Morning. Let's get this up. Oh, that gold trade before was nice. Just no fucking low wick. The trend line, which is a bit annoying. That is second. So yeah, welcome everyone. New month, which is nice to see. Yeah, I was looking at this gold trade before. I was eyeing it up at 620. Because we had a 50-minute bullish closure before. We rejected the bottom. It's a door bottom. Unfortunately, though, this candle didn't push down for me to the trend line. So you have to take it just on the closure. Yeah, it was just 12 pips, pretty reasonable. 14 pip for the first TP, and then the second TP would probably be there for 34. So it worked out pretty nice. Pretty nice. It does morning. Hello everyone. Right. Okay. So let's just take a look at the news. So we got nationwide HPI at 7 o'clock, which has already came out. Apart from that, we have a lot of Euro news, a lot of Swiss news as well. GDP manufacturing later on. Okay, so it's looking okay for the start of this day. Actually, it's not too bad. However, GJ is still looking like arsehole. So still gotta just put it there. Wait. I've got the what? On the tree. Oh, they'll be in the washing machine. One second. So yeah, G looking lovely today, like it has the last 2 weeks. Monomax enjoy the game. Oh, what the fuck is that? What the fuck was that? You guys are playing like 98th minute, 4 minutes after extra time. What the fuck is this? Man, that's stupid. Not on. So yeah, GJ, as I said, I'm still probably not going to touch GJ today. I still want it to do something reasonable. But it's nice to see and go through the motions of why maybe. So the daily time frame is bearish. The last one closed bearish. Actually rejected the lows quite a lot at 161. 4-hour time frame is starting to make resistance. Price is broke and retested this previous support now. So looking good for it to really continue down. If you look at the hourly time frame, same kind of story, and the 50 minutes made some resistance as well. So yeah, I think we could potentially continue down, and it would be below 161.415 here to continue back down to 161.100. So yeah, this actually might be all right, to be honest. We'll see. I think EJ, someone said EJ as well. We'll take a look at EJ just in case there's one right now. Yeah, it's kind of the same, isn't it? 30-minute is closed below. Yeah, the 30-minute is nice. Stop loss above. 10 pips. 5 pip gain. Yeah, looks pretty good. Look at the 15. The 15s have made some good resistance as well. And the first TP would probably be at this bottom here, like there. 500. So yeah, I think it could be good. If you could continue back down to 139,300, that would be perfect. And that's looking like where it's going to go. This 30-minute did close below, so yeah, this should drive. Clean candle here, so if you're in the EJ cells, you should be looking good. Oh yes. Thank you. You're on the screen. So yeah. Yeah, played well. Newcastle. Dan Burn was immense. Yeah. figures went down. It's because they're all fucking injured. Let's take a look at this. Naranda sent me a chart this morning. And then we'll get looking at potential trade ideas. So yeah, the gold one this morning, I was watching it. Yeah, so I think that's where people could have got in. Very, very nice. This is the gold in the 5 minute. So for me, my trend line. Oh shit! 1 second. My trend line was from there. Yeah, that was pretty close on yours actually. Okay, let's take a look then. So strong support, not enough volume to break. Okay, so you got a price closing above. Although closed half as this closed week. Okay, so what I'd say is, always, all you could do for the trend line is if it closes below the trend line, then you can take it off. Okay, this one didn't, so you can hold it. Okay, from sample sizing and past data, that's all we did, right? And we found out that if it closed below the trend line, the probability of it working out is pretty low. Pretty low. So yeah, we'll see in this 15 closure over here. It's looking like it's pushing down, which is nice. Brian, you eyeing up these GJ?
Morning.
Good morning.
I've just got on, so I'm just having a squiz.
Yeah.
My zones are the same. I just left my zones actually from yesterday.
Yeah.
Literally.
The same as yesterday.
I've moved like one or two. Let's move this one. That gives that. Let me just check. I'll give me like 2 seconds.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. There's no rush. I'll look at EJ right now.
Yeah, it's not as if GJ's going anywhere, right?
Yeah, exactly. 4 hour has no top wick on EJ. Okay. Looking like it's made the resistance at the top. These early mornings again, man. Fuck. Painful. I gotta go to bed earlier, man.
Why do you stay up so late?
Huh?
Why do you stay up so late? Do you watch movies?
I don't really. I went to bed last night at probably like 11 or something.
Yeah, that's late.
Yeah.
Alright, I got 161.307 on GJ under that wick under Asian range.
Yeah.
That I want cleared out. Yeah.
So
there's a whole structure all the way through there. So that wick I want taken out, and then that will see if we reject or hold Asian lows.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, you can see here as well. I mean,
just because of that wick, you know what I mean, as well. The 2 wicks, the Asian wick, and then obviously the previous wick. Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. But then is our zone big enough then?
I'll tell you now.
Yeah,
it is.
Yeah, it's 20 pips. Yeah, that makes sense. And for buys are going to be pretty good.
A lot higher up.
A lot, yeah. I mean, this here would be a painful area.
Yeah, and then you're coming back to 162.
Oh, God, yeah. Buys are not on the card today.
Buys are out. Buys
will be a while.
You probably hate 162 figure in your head now. You're never going to forget.
Oh, my God. Oh, yes.
It just shows you like how important price is though.
Yeah. Key levels. AJ hourly seem to have closed above. Ooh.
AJ, what's that?
Yeah. I bet it's looking clean as butter right now.
Probably be doing well.
Let's take a look then. This other trend line which I didn't see. Yeah, I suppose use that one as closer, but I like using the Asian high if I can. So this is the one that I had. I had a closer above. Just had no really low wick. And that was good, man. But I wouldn't have taken that because it didn't come a retest. So. But that's fine. I'll go through the base of gold now as well. So yesterday we took, just after stream, I took sells from 1722.5, I think, 4, and then ran them down to 1715, 1714. So I got a nice big trade yesterday. I made about 3.5% on that. So that was nice. So, and I went through a Zoom video, which I'll post on Instagram today probably, of why I left my trade running instead of just closing all of it. What were the consequences of me to hold it? Okay, so the 4-hour time frame is making a top wick right now. It's actually closed below 1704, which is the main support. So if this flips and breaks the low of the previous, it looks pretty good to continue. Oh, to be honest, looks pretty good, yeah. So if we break this double bottom, we should be bombs away. I think this is pretty similar to what happened yesterday, actually. There's a big support, but once the support breaks, it should be good. So sells below would be good, man. Yeah. For buys, you'd have to probably wait to break Asian highs above here. And that's all she wrote. Look at that 50-minute, man. So overall, very, very bearish on gold, right? So if you do take these little like buys here, you gotta be, taking profits quite quickly because the buys ain't gonna work for long. Morning, everyone. Oh, mate, my fucking Premier League fantasy. Look at this shit, man. Just get paid for this. 84, boy. Haaland again, give me 34. Cancelo 12. Sterling 8. Martinelli 10. Jesus 6. Beat that, boy. Fuck up, Brian. So yeah, we'll wait for the 30 closure below, and GJ let her wait. Was there any good gold trades in Asian? See if there's any 5-minute trend line trades in Asian. So we'll just descending. See in the 30 if there's anything. This 30 closed strongly below. This will be the top wick and then broke below. So you might have been able to have done that. Yeah, that'd be quite nice. Take a look here. So this 30-minute closed, make a top wick, then reflip. Could get in there, stop loss above there, 26 pips. Then you would have got all that. Yeah, 30 pips. Yeah, that was nice. That was very nice. Close 8% at 20 pips and 20% at 40 pips on gold buys today on live account. Well done, my man. So he's going from a demo account to a live account. Beautiful. Do you take these buys here? You did. Very nice. Well done, well done. Get your confidence up. It's good.
If you look at gold on the 30, just so I can show you again from yesterday. Go. Where is it? Why is it different? Okay, here. So I believe there. So you can see how that closed above. And there's the W neck retest.
Yeah, that's nice.
So you see, as long as the closure is above the neckline, you golden.
Yeah. What was that actually? Oh, that was at 230 as well.
Yeah, I think somebody did get it, but I just saw now just looking
I think we
past.
looked,
I was like, oh, that looked good.
I think it was the 5-minute people were looking at.
Yeah.
I think it was somewhere.
But as long as, like myself, and you'll hear myself and Jason say the word deformed a lot. It's a deformed N. It's a deformed W. It's not supposed to look perfect. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you can spot them and you get the closures above or below the necklines, you're in the gravy.
Yeah, boy. That was a nice one on the 30. Very nice. So yes, start of a fresh month. See what September brings.
Should be fun.
Yeah, man. Should be fun. I'm not gonna slag off GJ once. I'm just gonna watch it and go, right, you know what? There's no trades for me here. I'm just gonna wait till there is trades for me here.
Well, then you
Yeah.
Literally.
So on a it's actually a trend line here. Nah, there isn't. Just a support, yeah. So I just gotta wait for a closure below here. And then for targets, where could we target if we break 1702? So 1702 is right there. Yeah, it's quite a big level of support there. So I gotta wait for a closure. Then the first level is probably 1700, which makes sense. Very big psychological level. And furthermore, we come back down to 1695. So that's a nice zone, 50 pip zone. So yeah, should be good. I can't believe it's September already. Holy shit, this year's gone quick.
Nah, yeah.
Too quick. It's gone too quick. Everyone in the YouTube chat, make sure you like the stream. We're back in action, getting used to things. And yeah, I'll post that little clip of yesterday of why I held. So I told people in the Telegram chat why to hold this trade. And, you know, we held it for quite a long time, which is good. Because sometimes, you know, you get your 10 pips and, you know, you don't really know what to do and you just close, like, you know, 90%. It's like, oh, that one time there, you need to be careful because you're closing here and you're breaking all of the lows at every single time frame with a clean zone, with a clean candles in the area, with a big zone, with overall higher time frame bias. It's just a very good example of where, you know, Raja would hold, for example, and he did. He took the same trade as me. So I think because they're the ones. I mean, if you take a look at Raja's trades in this month, all of them have been from pre-London, big fucking monster trades with clean candles to the left. All he's been taken. So, you know, if you can get like 5 or 6 of them a month, you're gonna be pretty good. You're gonna be pretty good. I wonder how the funded things are. Has Raja talked about his new funded thing yet?
He says it's releasing soon, I think, and that they were going to announce it, or he said he was going to release who he was partnering up with.
Yeah, he's partnering up with it. Very nice. Oh god. I can't believe Newcastle. What the fuck is this? Still look here. GJ Bright. What's coming down?
Just getting some legs.
Yeah. See how this 30 closes in 10 minutes time. Getting some legs. Man touched 7 figures last month. Whoa.
Who's 7 figures?
Raja had 7 figures last month.
Oh yeah, the month. Yeah, fair. Fucking gambler. He's the OG boy. He's like I said the other day. There's no more fear in him when he's trading.
He just looks at the clean zones, man.
Yeah. Morning.
Morning. Looks at the clean zones. Yeah, gold's been very nice recently. It's nice price action. So we'll go for the gold. We'll go for the gold simulation today. I'm trying to think of which month to do. Should we go further back or just because we did December? We could just do January now.
You're never gonna know. You might as well just do whatever's not done. You know what I mean?
Yeah, just do all of them.
Maybe you could do one like from maybe even 2 or 3 years ago to see
That's
what
true.
it does in completely different market conditions. Because honestly, the last 2 years or 3 years
Different.
haven't been really standard, you know, with COVID and then the war.
Yeah, for sure.
Just to get an idea.
I agree. Yeah, we'll go further back. Good idea. And I think because we all kind of get the gist of it now, we can go quite quick through the months. As before, explaining every single thing, but now we know what we're looking for. So, for example, let's just go for this one this morning, right? Just to show you just a bit of education here, right? So, if we had a trend line, I like using, the high of Asian's nice here, and made a little bit of a resistance there. This is perfect. I like this one. You could get a bit of a tighter one, but I was happy with this one. So, let me just wick this down there. So, imagine I did this, right? And you get into a buy. But first things before you get into a buy is you need to see if it's actually reasonable, right? So the first thing you got to do is the first TP, is it enough room, right? Where's the first TP? Someone show me.
You could go for this one. You could go here.
Yeah.
And then you could maybe go there.
Yeah. So here you mark out and you go, right, that's 14 pips. That's good. Very, very nice. Yeah. So 14 pips is good for the first TP, right? Take a look on the 50-minute, which is a time frame that we seem to be looking at just in case there's any fake resistance here. So we'd be entering right around these areas here, I think. Okay, and we do really have a clean zone all the way back up here. Okay, so that's also a good thing. Okay, we have a double bottom, which suggests that price is really holding the support. Okay. The only thing we don't really have is higher time frame bias, okay? But for the most part, everything was really okay. The hourly res was at, we were passing hourly res, which is okay, and the 30-minute and the 15 were clean, so I think it was pretty good. And there we go. So we would have taken that one if it just worked a little bit lower, but didn't, unfortunately. Goldie is coming down. Pretty hard, damn.
Well, it needs to. It needs to go to 1694, you know.
Are you still holding full?
Yep.
Nice. What did you get? When did you get in again?
1732.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a mad position, man.
1732.45.
Do you have a trailing stop somewhere, or?
I have it at break even at the moment.
Yeah. Break even 300 pips.
Yeah.
So,
Very nice.
I'll probably take my stop.
Take that,
down
ninja.
1720 to trade it.
Yeah.
Ninja in.
I don't know.
Oh, he's in the chat, but I don't know if he's in the Zoom.
Unlucky me now.
Oh god, GJ, you may feel sick. Has EJ continued? It looks like it's been pretty slow. I think you might have scraped 10 pips on the flip. It was the break of the low. You haven't. If 4 hour gold flips has green traffic all the way to 1690-ish. Yeah. Yes, sir. That looks good. Oh, I took Caitlin to the to a nice little sports pub yesterday, watching all the games at once. It was bloody great.
She into sport?
Yeah, she likes football. Yeah, she enjoys it. And I was really screaming when these players are scoring. I'm like, yes!
My wife can't handle sport.
Really?
No, she's just like, I think it's her dad is also so fixated with all sports. He will watch, like, he's got sport on every TV in the house. So he doesn't change the channel. He'll quickly like run upstairs to the upstairs lounge and watch what's on that one. And then he'll come just to like move around, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I think she's just so over sport. But yeah, she hates it.
Look at that shit. 366 points. The second one behind me is 337. Yes! How many people in the world are better than me?
Fucking loads, mate.
396,000 rank. the highest person's 421 so far. What was his team look like? Oh, you triple captain. He's a retard. You don't use triple captain yet, boy. Was a GJ setup valid on the previous 1 hour closure below support entry in the 7 AM candle? Let's take a look. This one here? I mean, it was valid in terms of the clean candle to the left there. And it was also closure below there. Yeah, I think it was reasonable. Yeah. I think it was reasonable. Let's look at the 30-minute. It's just those wicks to the left. It's just a choppy area, man. But on the hourly, it looks pretty good. Yeah. Hourly looks very good. Max, your team not off TikTok, you said. Well, the players I didn't know from, yeah. So, like, who did I put on from TikTok? Yeah, him. Neto as well. But the rest I picked. So looking like GJ's tapped 300 and went, nope, not yet. 5 minute.
Yeah, not yet.
5 minute touched it to the T, closed bullish. So yeah, it's not there yet.
Yeah, it's annoying because I'm actually in sales from 161 for 23.
423. Yeah, that's a bit annoying.
But I'm at break even now, so.
Yeah.
Took partials.
Yeah, I was thinking that was quite a nice place to take partials right there.
Yeah.
Beautiful work on Goldie, man, that last month. Oh, pretty good. So yeah, I want like a might not get it on this one. Might have to wait until 8 o'clock, but a nice closure like this. What I'm looking for. GJ 11 pips banked, very nice. Take the same traders on the hourly, I think. So this one closed below. How much was your stops on there? Yeah, 6 pips, not bad. There's also a 30-minute break at the lows as well, yeah. Very nice. So 30-minute closed on Goldie. Still not there yet, but I think in time comes, I think we'll maybe be able to get it today. Is music a bit too loud? No. EJ, another closure, but it just seems to be coming a little bit slow over here. But I think the hourly was pretty reasonable. Was the hourly a good stop as well? Yeah, it was okay. That was okay. Did 580 stay in? Let's take a look. Went all the way down to 530 first. 5 pips. I still might have held down. So GJ now, the 50-minute close doji pretty much on the support, so looking like it is struggling to come further. Sorry for Newcastle, they played well. Yeah, the new signing seems pretty alive, so that's good. I like to see that. Yeah, so that one was decent because you got 1, 2, closure, retesting the trend line, clean zone to the left really to this. This is kind of very small price action, so that was good. That was good. So I think actually since I came back, I've actually been pretty good with the swearing. I think I swear too much. I'm going full halal. I'm a new man. This is my first day of being a new man. A halal man.
Have you sworn yet this morning, though? I don't think so.
Nope.
I don't know that.
We keep it that
Fuck
way.
yeah! Woo!
So the YouTube chat, Ricky goes, I love swearing.
Yeah, I'm sure. Like everyone trading is.
I think there was just one part. I think I was playing football with the lads and we're outside. We just finished and I just couldn't stop swearing. And then there was some guy like next to, like pretty close to us with a kid. And they're like, Max, shut the fuck up. And I was, I just swore then. Shit. I was like, oh, okay. And then I literally just couldn't. So I got to get out of that, man. So I think maybe the donation box for this month, maybe might put it there. Yes, man, turning Muslim because they take halal. Yes. Did the kids swear at you? No. So yeah, looking like GJ made a little wick over here. Interesting. You eyeing these up, Mr. Bry? Showing the zone's garbage.
Yeah, they are shit.
I like how it's came to the Asian lows, rejected, made a low wick. Yeah, it's gonna be quite nice here.
DJ.
On the 5. So look at the 15 as well, breaking the 15 highs. Yeah, 6 pips. Wouldn't be too bad. Just look at the hourly 30. Yeah, it's a shame that you can't change your bias that quick, man.
I was looking at gold, I wasn't even on it.
Yeah.
You know what? You actually need to be able to change your bias that quick.
No,
Yeah,
you do, right?
Because if you can't, then sometimes you miss shit.
Yeah, for sure. Especially in GJ right now.
Gold, if you aren't willing to change your bias in fucking 5 minutes on gold, just miss moves.
Yeah, 4 pips. That's probably what you're gonna get. Did this come and retrace anywhere? Support. EJ, came all the way back down to 480. Hopefully you guys would have taken profits there when you got in. If you got in on the hourly, you had a second chance. Goal rejection on the trend line you had. The only trend line that I have this morning is this one here. So yeah, it's held it again. How was your vacation, Max? Any trades during the break? I took a couple trades, yeah. For the most part, though, I actually logged on, looked at MetaTrader once, and logged the fuck off because I just saw GJ just being a bitch. So I didn't take too many. I only took like 3. Only 3. Yeah, so now gold just found its range, right? This is the new range it's got. From like there to there, really. Buys above 17.11.5 is going to be nice above there. And the sells are going to be good. Shut up, I don't have a fucking clip. Did you go to the Brexit bar? Well, they've changed it now. It's not called the Brexit bar anymore. Wonder why. It's called something else.
You don't need to think too far to wonder why they changed.
Exactly. lost fucking half their customers because everyone's from fucking Europe. Yeah, I don't know what it was called anymore, but yeah, it was good. It's good shit. There was one day. Oh my god, it was great, man. There was They said there was going to be thunder and lightning like the whole time, and it just didn't happen for like 4 days. It was just so humid, so I knew it was going to come. And then like one night, it just fucking lightning bolted all night. It was great.
Did you get scared? Did you grab a blankie?
I was loving it, man. Electrocute me. Electrocute me, boy. A little wick again. Fuck me. This is gonna pump.
Tell us, Max. We already know you're in.
I'm not.
5 positions this time. Oak's becoming a Jason stacker. You don't have to show us your terminal.
Motherfucker.
Motherfucker. We don't care about your terminal.
Motherfucker. I'd look at it a bit more if maybe the res wasn't right there and the zone was cleaner. But a clean zone in GJ right now is something in a fairy tale. What do you think of GU? Let's take a look. Is Sash been here? Is Sash been busy doing shit? Let's take a look at the daily. So yeah, overall you can clearly see very, very bearish. 4 hours pushing back up, broken the high of the previous. Yeah, I mean it looks like GU may be able to continue bullish a little bit, but for the most part it is very much bearish. But a closure above this resistance could be quite nice for it to drive up a little bit.
Yeah, all the way up to Asian highs and then come down again.
Yeah.
See that little bullish one?
Yeah.
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 Probably gonna tap into that area just to come down again.
Yeah. Sure. What up, boys? Good luck in this new month. Thank you very much. Nice, Tommy boy. Oh, you had 3 trades in gold. What did you take? Yeah, that was the first one that we were looking at in the 5 minute. Beautiful. That was a little head and shoulders, eh? Shoulder, head, a little bit of a shoulder. Very nice. And it just got this one. Beautiful top. All in the 1 minute. Cheese! Very nice. Yeah, we'll see this GU closure. Looks pretty good for it to continue now. Look at the hourlies. Rejected pretty hard, so. So how would you have really got in on that GG there? If you got in there. Which is what I was looking at. Yeah. You got at 4 or 5 pips, came back, nearly stops you out, and then continues. Sweaty ball movement.
Yeah, the 5's not clean on GJ. That would have taken, you would have been out in those.
Yeah. All Premier League team needs to come in together and ban Haaland. Nope. He's in my team and he's doing well. I don't know why anyone didn't put him as a fucking captain. That's just retarded. The reason why Man City haven't been fucking bashing teams out is because they don't have some guy who's 7'8" in the back just tapping them in. You had Sterling, a little fucking midget.
Yeah, have you seen that video of that guy, that Scott Sterling guy, whatever it is, where they just kick the ball at him and he's the goalie and it just smashes him in the face 18 times?
Yeah.
I have to get that up. That's hilarious.
Mm-hmm. How many points I get? Oh, Joe, do you really want to know, bro? Another.
What did you get?
I got 84.
84. Oh, fuck off.
Every single one of my players fucking scored.
84.
Yeah,
How many you on overall?
300
He's bought some hack, mate. He's bought some cheat code. For that.
366.
Oh, miles behind you, mate. I'm on like 270 or something. Dude, shite.
Mate, I told you I play to win, man. I don't play to come second. When I stop dropping off, yeah, I'll have a rage quit and I won't play anymore. But at the moment, I'm top. Literally, I was in the pub with Katie last night, and every single goal that went from one of my players, I'm like, yes, fucking get in. It's hard.
Money on it.
What? No,
Do
we don't have
money
any money on it, which is
like
annoying. I know, we just play for fun, but
There's no fun in that.
I know there isn't. I was playing poker with my mates just to get rid of all the fucking Bulgarian leather that we had. And man, my hands. We've got to play that one night. We've got to play it.
Man, that's from you playing with your sword, mate.
For fuck's sake. So yeah, GJ's pushing back up, but yeah, the buys are gonna be later on. This area here looks like pain in asshole. You know what I mean? Even above there, let's take a look. So if you broke the Asian highs, that's okay. Be able to come to like there. Yeah, that sounds alright. I just don't want to use my bullets on a pair that I know has been really, really hard recently, especially with the price action that it has. If this was bloody clean, then man, I'd be going straight in, but it ain't. It ain't at all. So I think for me, for the buys, they would probably be even above there, to be honest, to take trades. 161845 would be nice. I think that'd be pretty realistic. Let's take a look at DC this morning. Back in the Indian trader, I like that shit. What should I be called? Not the topless trader anymore, now it's too cold. Until next year. The Chinese trader, yes. The Chinese trader. Darius Doppelganger. Did I tell you before I went on holiday I was in the Blackbird with Shearer? Shearer. And Shola Amiobi was there. It's fucking every Newcastle player. I literally saw Shearer's table. I knew every single one of them just by their faces for some reason. Look at GU go. So 50-minute close, very, very bullish on GJ. That's good little sign to see it pushing a little bit. Hey Max, what's your thoughts on EJ buys? If this 1 hour close is quite strong bullish. Yeah, because the overall direction is bullish, right? The 4 hour has not much of a top wick at all. Yeah, I think if the 30 in the hourly close strong, that could be nice. I think you'd probably want it above the 4 hour flip, the daily flip, I think. Well, that's a nice low wick. Do you know what I've been thinking as well for the GJ? Our retest entries would not be working on GJ recently because it just fakes out so many times. Shitless Chinese trader, fuck's sake. Is there any other trend line that people are eyeing up for maybe gold buys to continue a little bit further? I don't think I have too much of a one now. For me, this is just a zone here now. It's here, 1707. Oh my god. I have a feeling Tom is probably getting in over here. To get to that top wick. How much would that be if you got in there? The retest there. 10 pips. Looks good, looks good.
Yeah. I'm in.
Good.
I'm in retest.
Good lad. I think you should be pretty good, yeah. What price do you get in?
Just got my 519.
Yeah, I think that'll be good.
Hopefully we can just at least get stop loss to BE. I've just got my stop below the previous 5 now.
Yeah.
Hey.
Look at the 30.
It looked good for a minute there.
That's GJ for you. Yeah, Tom's in as well. I thought he would be. I watched it. I think maybe this area here. I'd want it.
Come on. Turn around.
Turn around. Turn around, boy.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
This
Could be
5
good.
flips, I'll go BE.
Yeah. It's a good idea. Let's look at the minute candles. Yeah, minute candles are looking a little bit pain in the ass. So I want to know, people in the YouTube, how was your August? How would you reflect on it? Positive, negatively? What you could have done to maybe put into September month to change a couple of things, maybe. For me, it was definitely changing GJ lot sizes a little bit. Always adapting, boy. Is Jace at work today?
Sorting his license out, he said.
His license
That
out.
he
Oh,
lost. Remember, he lost it at work.
oh yeah, yeah.
And he's sorting it out now.
I only trade minute 1 on phone in toilet with a vape. That sounds like a fucking disaster. I think if I trade the 1 minute with my vape, I think I'd fucking collapse. Greg's bunch. I saw one of his adverts yesterday and I just wanted to fucking top myself. It was painful to watch. So 5 minute closed bearish. It's got a nice low wick back to the daily flip. August is the most difficult month so far, closed 5% up though. Wow, amazing work. I think a lot of people found it difficult, so that's good. A lot of people in the lower time frames, I think, found it painful. A lot of break evens.
There's a lot of lack in volume last 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Normal that it's difficult. August always is.
Finny boy, you still in?
Yep.
Good lad. Good lad, good lad.
I've got my stop below this the 5 minute now that it's just made to manage risk.
Good lad.
I'm real good with that. 3.5 pips stop loss.
For sure.
Come on, just get up. With the 15.
This is a clean candle as well, so should come probably.
Pussy.
Don't take it back. Take it back. Take it back now.
Take it back.
DJ, you beautiful girl. DJ, you're beautiful. Come on.
The second you slag GJ off, it'll fucking slag you off.
Probably.
Rojo's just put a post on about his on his Insta, sorry, about who he's partnering with, FXM funding.
Ah.
Oh, come on.
Check his Insta stuff.
Go, GJ. Push. Can we just get some volume in this?
Don't ask for volume on GJ, that's not the pair to look at. On here?
Yeah, it's on his story.
Interesting. And that's good. I think that's good.
Wonder how that salary thing works.
Yeah. Even if you end the month with a loss.
Sounds like the ideal job, that. Just do shit and we'll pay you anyway.
Well, it makes sense, right? Because if you look at all the funding, I think I've talked about this before, they make so much money from this. You can just, you know, to get your USP, you make something different. Yeah, you're probably not going to make as many profits because you're going to give out salaries to people who've actually got live accounts, but it's a good, unique selling point. And yeah, maybe, you know, you can see the numbers of how many people actually pass it. It ain't that much. So it's a good idea. Because I did think that they're all becoming very similar, man. You've got to diversify. That's why I liked Fund Talent. I know it went tits up. I think it only went tits up because of Canada, to be honest. I can't log into my MT4 account. Everything is correct, but says invalid account. Can anyone help me? It may be down to the last bits. I could log in through my phone, but not my desktop. For example, like it has IC markets. So for example, mine, if you see mine here, mine has IC markets SCMT5 2. You need to make sure it's the right one because there's quite a lot on different brokers. And maybe, yeah, that's normally the thing that gets me sometimes. I just put in the wrong one. Come on, do this for the boys.
I jumped out.
I got out.
I got out, yeah.
Scared of the volume that's going to come in, that might come down. And it's come back to entry like 2.5 times, you know what I mean? So if it goes off, whatever.
Yeah.
I was up like 5 pips twice, and then it came back to entry, so I was like, fuck, I'm just going to jump out.
Yeah,
I'd be salty if I lost.
Yeah, 100%, mate.
Exactly. Good.
I'm never upset if I jump out at entry when it stuffs around. Never upset.
Well, stop loss would be B8 now for sure anyway. Now it'll go.
Yeah, but change the chart. Don't look at it.
Oh no, go to the 1 minute. Look at that.
Yeah, that was a bit annoying.
I got break even on that one twice.
Well, payback effects will pay you for it.
Not on a £6,000 account though, that's fucking worthless.
I'll pay for your fuel every month. A little bit of fuel.
Yeah, mate, I'm losing money.
You can't drive over 60
now. Right?
You can't drive over 60 then, because then you use too much fuel.
Yeah.
160.
160.
165 the other night. Brian loved it.
How many holes did you drill in those tailpipes?
How many what?
How many holes did you drill in those tailpipes to get that noise?
Just enough for my dick to fit in one of them.
EJ worked nice from here. Yeah. Not too bad. We might have a celery. Yeah, for the buys. Just don't know if the buys are gonna last long. Quickly go to the toilet.
Ah, fuck you, GJ.
It's gonna run now, innit, after 8 o'clock.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
Well, at least it does money.
We had to get that entry, you know what I mean? So you gotta make the choices.
Yeah, when it whipped me out straight away to break you and it came back down, I thought, I'm having another go. You and Finn are in, I'm trying.
I still think it's gonna stuff around, or it's just gonna fucking launch.
It should have really run by now, really.
It should have been gone. Yeah, 100%.
It's just pissing about.
Yeah. Like that M4 of yours just pisses everywhere. How often do you replace the paving at home?
The paving on drive?
Yeah.
It's pebbles, so in winter I can't get out anywhere. Full of potholes like my ass. Might get a 4x4 Jaguar. Getting old now. I've got my little sailor shoes. I need something to settle down in.
I'm gonna buy another pair. Fuck it, just to irritate you.
Don't irritate me. They make me smile. You and my lass have matching shoes. Right?
There's nothing wrong with those shoes, Warren. Comfortable.
Nothing fucking right with them shoes, Brian. Your missus has definitely bought you them and told you to wear them.
I bought them myself.
Bollocks, no you
What's
didn't.
he wearing? Boat shoes.
Boat shoes, yeah.
Yeah, boat / slipper / golf shoes.
Leather. It's leather, mate. It's moccasins. That's what happens when
You've walked into a shop and
not
thought,
buying
I'll buy that.
proper stuff.
Yeah, right.
Not oil leaking M4s for half the price. Just to look cool.
Oh.
Oh no, he didn't.
Oh no, he didn't. Wait, what? FXM? Is that the one that Raj has got?
Yeah. See Finn and Warren. See that volume. We're lucky we got out there.
Yeah.
We're lucky we got
Oh
out there.
my god.
It was a good call. Now you can say it was a good call getting out when it was stuffing around.
Yeah, man.
Because that you would have
That's
been
a
tapped now.
beautiful thing.
Previous 5, you would have just been tapped. You see Finn.
I see, baby.
Oh god, GJ. I'm gonna get off that shot right now. So yeah, London Open. Nothing much on the card yet. People in the YouTube chat, what are you guys looking at?
You.
Our signals.
We're waiting for a big fat signal. What are they frothing
fucking-
for a signal? What are you talking about?
I'm waiting for a big fat signal. Big fat stinking signal. Oh, Dr. Dollar is in a buy on GJ. Interesting.
Yeah, but it'll be some fucking crossing EMA. I took a screenshot actually of one of his Instagram posts. I see he was using a channel there.
Uh-huh.
On one of the, I was like, where did you get this channel from, boy?
A lot of them are getting channels, bro. I see them. Yeah, he got into a buy there and his stop is there.
Fuck that, you must be crazy if you're doing that now, GJ. We've been trying to stop that like the last 3 months. But where's his stop?
There.
Yeah. Toodaloo, motherfucker.
I don't miss the chow.
Yeah.
We are looking to.
It's got to come down a lot more before it goes back up.
Yeah.
Fake outs
I'm
push.
fucking sick of BEs. You've got no idea.
Bye, love you.
Bye, Angel Pie.
Holy
Yeah, cutie. I'll do the dishes.
I'll do the washing again.
Oh, last night I fucking basically like a couple weeks ago I put my weed somewhere and I forgot where it was and I was drunk last night and I fucking remember where I put it. But unfortunately now I'm fucking halal, so is weed haram? Yeah, I think it is.
Ask Jason, he's been tested like 5,000 times.
Oh, what's GJ gonna do?
Yeah, support holds in dollars in for dime.
Yes, sir. I want the buys much higher up. The zone here is just gonna be painful, as you found out.
Yeah, but you'll see, like guys like that, they, even though they're fib traders and stuff, they will still use a fib in a range. It's not gonna, you can't use a fib in a range because you've got too much support and resistance. You know, you need a trending market for a fib. So they'll use a whole lot of, they got EMAs, they got channels, they got fibs, they got support and resistance. They got so much going on. You know what I mean? You've just got to use the thing at the right time. That's
Technically not, but most people consider it haram. Well, you said technically not, so it's halal. It's just a vegetable.
vegetable.
It's just a vegetable.
It literally is a weed.
Well, in that theory, you can drink wine because it's just a grape.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, Max is gonna kick in this new chapter is gonna bail.
No, I'm full haram. No,
What did you have for
full
dinner
halal,
last
sorry.
night?
Well, it was my last meal of being haram. So
Yeah.
I had
Takeaway.
pork
Chinese.
ribs.
I was gonna say some bar snack platter. That's what you had.
I had pork ribs, chicken wings, and lamb curry,
Jesus
and
Christ.
battered chips and curry sauce. It was like a Thai. It was a Thai place in Leeds. It was fucking nice.
You really put it in there.
Yeah.
Do you order the buffet for yourself or?
Sometimes depends if I'm peckish or not. I got fucking so much stick on holiday for eating so much. It was pissing me right off.
Really?
Yeah. I bought a 1 kilogram platter of pork ribs, and I ate that shit.
Yeah, but that's not a lot of meat still though.
It's still quite a bit. It was like 4 sets of ribs.
Yeah, but the bone will also weigh.
Observe bones
Yeah,
after it.
yeah. It's probably like, I don't know.
About 4 chicken breasts worth of meat in it.
Max, are you still in Leeds? My cousin played for Leeds United years ago. Oh, yeah, I'm still in Leeds. I like Leeds. I actually like Leeds. I enjoy being here. I like the city. Still at university and learning to trade. 24 years, graduating next year. Any advice? What are you graduating in? I think a lot of people try and jump into a job straight away, but try maybe a little side hustle. Try something that you're passionate about. I was thinking, man, sooner or later I may try start streaming games because I am very interesting when I play games. I'm the guy to fucking lob my controller off a wall.
Big Twitch streamer.
Because I watched Don play, and Don's too like. Don just plays, right? He doesn't really say much. Whereas I'm like, fuck it, because if I play FIFA or something, I'm a rager. But my swearing will not decrease if I'm fucking stupid. The new FIFA's coming out as well.
Someone's giving Brian shit.
Yeah, it's fine. I think it's his mate.
Alright.
Yeah.
I was laughing.
Is any more news here? This GJ's stuffing around, man. Stuffing around. Yeah, for me, there's nothing on the cards right now. How is Asian? Oh, why is Asian so bad? Trading is my side hustle. Beautiful. Well, just do that, and then once you get a job, then, you know, the money thing you won't have to worry about because you're not doing it like full time, and you start building it from there. There's loads of little side hustles. Like that fucking guy. Oh, I keep on thinking about that guy with his fucking hoodies that I wanted to get into. I might just make my own, but he's so good at it. Look, he's made Spider-Man 1. It looks so good.
Counterfeit stuff now.
Look at that shit. How sick that is.
Oh, Dr. Dollar.
Yeah, Dr. Dollar. Look at that. I'm gonna have to buy one. Fuck's sake. Why didn't you just invest with me, prick? It'll be on here. Yeah, look. That was July, but there's also another one, I think, on my other account. Just give me a piece of your business. It looks amazing. Look at this shit. Look how good quality it is as well, man. Fuck. Starting to call fashion. And there we go, man. GJ is something to just watch right now, right? Watch, analyze. DC took the GJL as well. Yeah, man. I just think there's no...
Should have taken the fake out retest. Fucking smiling.
He's gonna get done for copyright soon. Yeah, I think he's got a long way until that happens, to be honest. I think... all they look at is market share percentage. And, you know, if you get to 1% of the whole market share of, I don't know, fucking hoodies, then they'll start to act. But right now, he can take as much money as possible, right? He said in one day he got 1,000 orders. That's 40,000 revenue in one day. That's amazing. All because of TikTok. So if you've got anything that's a bit unique, and you've got a unique selling point, man, TikTok is the way to go. So you gotta focus on that shit. I'm always thinking of things to do on the side. I've always been like that. I was the guy at school selling the fucking sweets. Did that shit for years. I used to come into school with massive fucking big backpacks, and it looked a bit sus towards the end because I had like fucking 4 massive backpacks full of drinks, and everyone used to bombard me at lunchtime. Max, you want to invest in my shampoo business? We will make enough profit from Brian alone to live comfortably.
Fucking on. He's on.
That's great. So good. He got you there. Oh God. What other things do you do apart from trading that gives you money? I've got my own rental property. And little bits and bobs that I help with my dad as well. I help him. Basically, one of the people that I need in his work was a tester. So I test like things. So for example, if he builds an app or builds something, I go through every single thing and see if there's any bugs or whatever, and that's good fun. Loads of different things, to be honest with you. The main thing that I'm looking at is the houses. Buy, rent, refurb. Sorry, buy, refurb, rent.
Unless you have shitty renters, then you were right first time.
Yeah, that is true. The good thing is though, as a landlord, you can just pick who you want in it. So like, I remember one time my dad had some people in his property. He comes in because they had like a boiler issue. Literally looks and there's like literally 40 pairs of shoes. But there's only like 3 people in the house. Like, there's clearly just fucking human trafficking in here. But the one that I've got in right now is a single mum who's a nurse and she's got a kid, so it's good. Like that.
You should be safe there. It also shows you that you're smart by not asking way too much rent. No, because if a single mom who works as a nurse can afford to live in a place you rent out, that means you're not one of those sharks that wants every penny out of the
Yeah, exactly.
Because that's something a lot of people, when they finally have a property they can rent out, they want to max it out.
Yeah.
They want to get every single penny they can get, because some real estate dude said, "Oh yeah, you can ask this much."
Yeah.
You always have to keep an eye on. I mean, it's better to ask like 100 or 150 quid less a month, and make sure you have your money every month, because if you want to max it out,
they may not want to pay.
Yeah. As soon as something shifts in the economy or in people's lives, they're not going to be able to pay you.
Yeah.
And it can take months before you get your money. So.
Sure. Well, I mean, when I put it up, I had about 18 people at the door at 8 o'clock in the morning viewing it.
Yeah.
And then I just picked the one I wanted. They all a lot of them asked for, said they'd pay more, but I kind of just helped out the ones that probably needed it more than others.
Yeah, you always have to get a good vibe from people when you want to run to them. Because everybody can say, "Oh yeah, we want to pay more because we really want this house." Well, if you can pay more, go look at other houses.
Yeah.
That are a bit more expensive.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You're muted? What? No, I'm not, boy. Oh, Dr. Dollar moved his stop loss. Interesting.
Of course he would.
He moved it to 30 pips.
They don't practice rules.
Oh no, he got in again. He's got in again.
I was about to say.
He's got in again. Thinking. So see if GJ can continue, but as I say, I want the buyers much higher up. I think above 161,850 is going to be much better.
Listen, our retest did get 7.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? So,
yeah.
Hold on, let me check. 512. Our retest did get 7. Yeah. So it was worth a shot. It was just the open candle that decided to say, "How's your father?"
Literally. Yeah, gold isn't doing too much either, but I think later on it's gonna be nice below. Is there any trend line that people are seeing now? That's too shallow. Too shallow. So yeah, I think what I was saying before, the big thing is TikTok. Because if you can get
Is
an
Dr.
audience,
Dollar wearing a cow onesie?
I think yeah. He's like me though. Like in the morning, he has a blanket that he puts over him. That's what I do at winter times.
Strange old fella.
I like Dr. Dollar. He's a good lad. He's literally just took Daniel's place. Oh, anyone get on that GU? Celery play. 30-minute break at the high as well. That was nice. Stop loss is 15. TP 12, 13. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Nice, Ryan. Good lad. On the 30. See what I mean, though, right? I mean, me and Vince were talking about this before, right? I don't trade you, but it's good to go for. This is why I'm not taking GJ trades, because the left-hand side looks garbage. But in this example here, clean candles to the left, and that's where you get your trade. Don't play in these crappy areas, because you look at GJ now, I mean, look at the 15, you know, it's not I mean, the only thing that's going for you is that this clean candle is here. For the most part, it's not the best. I got that GU, very, very nice. Been trading GU all week, put GJ in the bin. That was good, man. That's hella nice. Because the hourly as well came all the way back down. Yeah, rejected. Then broke the high. Celery play. Amazing. Clean counts to the left. So that was beautiful. That was beautiful. So yeah, we'll see how it reacts to Asian highs. We'll go from there. Yeah, Goldie's still not doing much yet. EJ, 30-minute time frame did close bullish, made a low wick, rejected for the third time. 15's got no bottom wick yet. Yeah, that trend line's pretty reasonable. The only issue with this trend line here is that if you've got a closure like there or there, you're just so close to support. Fuck you, GJ. I think everyone took the buy before, and then this buy has worked. So let's take a look then at how you could have got this buy.
5 minutes and never bottom,
Yeah.
which I say doesn't happen. You know what I mean?
Yeah. To the T, that's where you
So
should have been
annoying.
taking profit there. Yeah. I don't get annoyed anymore. I just look to the left and go, well, I mean, what do you expect? The left ain't clean. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. Look at that clean candles, man. Beautiful. Vince, do you take the GU?
No,
Mm.
I'm waiting for it to reach a nice area to sell it back down on a higher time.
Yeah. Let's just tap that OB, see how it reacts there.
Maybe even higher
Mm-hmm.
on the higher time frames. The 1 hour it needs to come up to around 116, 300 there somewhere.
300
See.
yeah, there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another
Might not
debut.
do it, but it's got good momentum now, so it's probably gonna go a bit
Yeah.
higher than it is now, and then it's gonna bump into some resistance, and then just keep an eye out to sell it back down. Because it is a bear market, so
Yeah.
it's easier to trade with the trend than against it.
Yeah, boy.
Risk is lower too because your stops will be, well, they can be similar to the buying this one, but your take profit will be the bottom, which
Yeah.
is a lot higher.
Yeah.
Kind of like my gold.
Mm-hmm.
My gold at what? 28 pips. Just stop, so I'd rather do that.
Thoughts on gold trend line? It's in the 5 minute. Yeah, beautiful. So you got actually from right at the highs. Take a look. Look at that. So let's just go through this then. We've got 2 minutes left to see. The only issue you got is it's got to close above here. And then the retest and the trend line is quite far down. So look at the 15. Yeah, 15 res is right there as well. You've got to be a little bit cautious right at that area. What we learned from the Sims is that if it's a 15 res right where your entry is going to be, it can be painful. Especially when it's counter trend. The reason why this one before, this 5 minute there was quite nice. I think there was that's clean candles. It closed above and the 15 was clean all the way above. After it passes res. Oh yeah. Do, 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 do.
Do you know where Dollar got in on his second entry?
He just took a buy at.
So he wouldn't.
He took a buy at 522.
Uh,
I think he just took the buy. To be honest, maybe when this candle maybe closed bullish.
Fuck, he might take another L, yeah.
Nah, I think he took profit there. I think.
Okay.
700. Yeah. Oh, it didn't actually hit 700. Nah, he would have closed some there. I think. Good work. Good work. DC's got his trend lines on as well. Trend lines. So yeah, wait to close above there. Let's look at the 30 now. Yeah. Well, I mean, gold's just relaxing, but you need to give it some space, right? It's been pushing down. I mean, from yesterday morning, it's ran quite a lot, 200 pips. So. Yep. Yeah, me too. I think that's much nicer, Joe. So that'll be on the smaller one here. Because then the closure has to be above the zone. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So EJ's rejected. Look at the 4 hour now. Bearish again. The zone below 20 pips. 15's closing in 4 minutes time. Just 18 pips stop. Yeah, zone smaller. So who's taking trades this morning on Zoom and YouTube? On Zoom,
Yeah.
you took the
Yeah.
GJ one.
Yeah.
GG.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any trade that I've had full risk on this week has been BE. Keep winning all
It's
these
fucking
small
horrible,
ones.
isn't it? Yes, it's horrible.
Fuck's sakes. Absolute dog.
Yeah, but considering time of the year,
Yeah.
PE trades are
Good, great.
golden.
Yeah.
Because a lot of
No,
people
not after you just got 300 pips, you brick.
Well, yeah. Focusing on you.
It's gonna annoy somebody.
I love
For your
that shit.
information, it's down to 261. So
Yeah.
Oh, bugger. Holy shit. If I made that, I would absolutely... I'd quit for the rest of the year.
yeah, you want to hear the most annoying thing for you? I was already up 17% in August. The first 2 weeks. Then I took 2
Nice.
weeks off. And now I'm adding, what's it? Another 8 for September. So I'm almost done.
Where would you
It's
say? Would you?
9:30.
What would you say?
Yeah.
What pairs made you the most, Vince?
Gold.
Yeah,
Most of
gold. Definitely gold.
Yeah. Did you get
If
into
you
gold?
catch-
When did you get into gold? I swear at the start you were. Were you looking into gold?
I had been trading gold for a while, then I stopped and I went to look at the entries on the lower time frame.
Yeah.
I started looking into supply and demand, and now I'm just back on, using everything I've learned just to catch those big trend trades.
Yeah. Sure.
I mean, I'm combining everything I've learned in the last 13 months
Mm-hmm.
to get good entries and cut my losses when it's before they hit my stop loss. But like the gold is now running 9.6 40%. So
Beautiful.
happy with that.
Beautiful. This GJ, fucking how long does it take to just break? Just to look at the 4 hour now. It's just so hard. It's so hard to base anything on GJ when looking at the higher time frames. Just look at the daily. Yeah, the daily doesn't show me anything. The only thing that daily shows me is a fucking range and a pendant that's been holding for a while. Do, 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 do. Bermuda Triangle strategy. Bermuda Triangle strategy. Break the Asian highs. Come on, GJ. So 30-minute closed. Didn't close above. Let's look at the fives. 5 looks good though. 5 looks good to break. So yeah, EJ closed right on the support as well. Let's look at the 5. I like the rejection from the daily flip there as well. Just a shame it didn't close a little bit further below. And the stops as well. You're getting like 18 pips you gain is like 16, 15, so the zone is smaller. You always want a bigger zone than you stop. Bigger zone. G's got a big closure. Above everything on the 30. Oh, that was so nice there. That was a GJ play. That would have been straight in there. Did I make the low wick first? Yep. Beautiful. I think later on it's probably going to be the gold sells, I'm not going to lie. think that might be the trade of the day. So it looks like a lot of the streamers today took a big L on GJ first, and then they've taken to get the money back. So yeah,
Big revengers.
I like this. I like this in the 5 when price comes back down to the same thing and then reflips there.
Yeah.
I like that. Normally works quite well. GU 20 pip win. Yeah, GU is nice, man. Yeah, 20 pips. Beautiful. Damn, I just googled Bermuda Triangle strategy. There is actually a video explaining this strategy. Don't get lost in the triangle. Do you guys see anything?
Nah. No. 27 minutes left of the hour. At least I've got some time. There's Goldie to do something. Get up, Goldie. Ooh. Going back to swimming today. Can't wait. Oh, get me in that pool. Bloody bliss. Get a few pounds, boy.
Oh, I need to shed a few pounds. It was a fat cunt holiday.
So holidays are for, man.
Yeah, boy. And yesterday I signed up to a doctor near here so I can actually get some of my shit sorted, which is good.
Those frail knees.
There's frail knees, bad skin.
Frail knees.
Old man
Conor
syndrome.
McGregor, you kick a soccer ball and that shin's just gonna knock.
I was thinking yesterday, actually, I kind of fancy doing a bit of boxing, mate. Not for like competing, just like a bit of fun, bit of cardio, bit of adrenaline. So I think I might find one. I don't really want to go to a really fucking rough one, to be honest.
Well, just buy one of those.
Nah, I want to do it with people.
Balls that are on that spring.
Yeah, but I want to train. I want to be able to like learn how to do it because there's like a punching bag in Bulgaria, and like, I fucking whacked it, right?
Doesn't mean you're good, mate.
Nah, I beat everyone here. I beat everyone here. But the day after, my fucking arm was killing me. So I've clearly done it the wrong way. Like not going through the punching bag. I kind of like, I don't know. I think it'll be quite good. Bit of adrenaline. If I don't have a vape, alcohol, weed, or going out a lot, I've got to find my adrenaline somewhere, and that's probably gonna be the best one. All the hips, yeah. Room. And I also want to be able to just make sure that if I'm on a night out and someone like tries to be a cock, I can just slog them in the face. Self-defense, man.
You don't have to be strong for that. Just punch them in the throat. Real, not that hard. Just slap them like you would.
Yeah.
And they go down. Because you punch them with a fist, they die.
Yeah,
just
that's true.
Slap them or poke them in the eye and they go down.
Yeah.
Easy.
Kick him in the balls.
Kick him in the balls. I'll do what I did last Christmas. Just boot him in the head. I'll fucking that'll fucking sort him
Call for a taxi.
Classic.
Fucking booted him straight in the head. Fuck's sake. Oh god. And I said, you just got beat up by a bunch of nerds. And it fucking went off.
PC gaming chair nerds.
You just got beat up by a bunch of nerds. All I want to do is smoke weed. And you would fucking toss it. And you just got your fucking head beat in. And all those mates were just laughing at him like, what the fuck are you doing? That was great. it breaks, could get the retest like it now. 2 hour has created a top wick. Let's see on the 5.
5, yeah, I see it.
Yeah, the 5 minute mate. I didn't really like the buys before. The sells because the 2 hour didn't have a top wick, but now it's created one.
So if this candle goes
So you
there,
got the closure below than the retest.
Below the
yeah.
neck, below the
Yeah.
supports. Yeah,
Yeah.
can work. It's more like a triple top, but it's still got a neckline, right?
yeah. How's that look with the 15? 15 break the lows, 30 minute pushing down, hourly pushing back down, 4 hour. Yeah, it could be good.
Is that correct though, right? Is that like a properly formed one or?
Not a properly formed one, but it's just like I said, it's more like you could think of maybe a head and shoulders. You got the left shoulder, head, right shoulder.
Yeah, that's what I was
got
thinking.
that strong support. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you just got to see how that closes. You are bearish, so it is a, these patterns when they're at resistance, they're good, right? If you're bearish.
Yeah.
If we're bullish and they're at support, they're good. You know what I mean?
Emmanuel's in the chat. Where the fuck has Manuel been?
He was here this morning in the Zoom chat.
I haven't heard his voice yet. CBD, yeah.
That ain't gonna help Max's knees, boy. Max's knees are like powder.
My knees click every time I move my leg. I think that means you've got a short, a tight quad, apparently.
That just means you're fucked.
Like if I move my leg up and down there, it clicks every time I do it.
Need those knee replacements at 22.
That's not good at all. For fuck's sake, Tom. Cheers, Tom. Thanks for the word of advice. Thing is that when you go to a doctor's, it's hard to like kind of go. My legs just don't feel right. Like there's no like bruise. There's no like. My legs just feel fucking off. I explain it by going down a set of stairs. If I go down a set of stairs, it's worse than going up. So I'm walking
Because
down.
you're so fucking top heavy.
Ah, fuck off.
Ah, there you swore. Pay that money, boy.
Get GJ coming back down. Top heavy,
Put
my
that
ass.
pound in that jar. A rum.
That is fucking haram. What was your gain last month? Let's take a look. I think the gold trade yesterday pretty much saved my month. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5.6%. 5.6%.
Is that with the 2 trades on holiday? Did you add them in?
No, but I just
No, you
did the
didn't.
one.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
I had clicking knees started trading legs yesterday. Clicking went away. I'm not fucking trading legs. I gotta do my yoga again, man. I've been slacking on my yoga. This is the day of haram. No, halal, sorry. I'm gonna meditate. I'm gonna do yoga. Do Sims. Do the webinar. Be a house man. Gold is ready to go. Let's take a look. What's closed below? Where would your stop be? Here? It'll also be, yeah, it's broken the 50-minute low. I'm down 73% from AUG. Brian has been a wonderful mentor. JK.
Is that Hein again?
Yeah.
Yeah, but Hein, can you just tell the gulag that you were taking like 80 trades a day?
Oh, he's got you there.
Got all these screenshots, boy. My Telegram. Fucking block me. Down 73%.
Goes valid. Yeah, the more trades you take, the less profitable you are. I'd say it as for a beginner. If you're taking 30 trades a day, you're probably losing. I know, me too, Joe. I was waiting for it. So 50-minute break in the lows here, 30-minute also break the lows, hourly also break the lows. This EJ actually doesn't look too bad. It's just the stop on the previous would be 17 pips. For a 16 pip gain. With no closure below, yeah. Max, are you still trading the same strategy at the start? Why you include trend lines? Any change in the entry rules? You still wait for closures and top wicks and bottom wicks? Yeah, but right now there's none of that happening, so I've got to adjust. And the trend line we've been backtesting for a while now, and that's why we implemented it on gold. Yes. From backtesting it. And it works very well, so why not, eh? And the more we do it, I bet the more times you'll see a lot of people doing it too. As you see, I think a lot of streamers are maybe looking into it over here.
They're onto us and copying us, the bastards.
Thing is, though, they will get slaughtered a couple of times. They haven't backtested it in terms of like 15 rares and support and stuff, so they gotta do that work and not just jump in straight away. What?
Check it out in the YouTube chat. 53 trades in one day.
Oh my god.
We all started
How many?
somewhere. 53 trades in one day.
I hope he's got payback